Hello and welcome to the one-time offer script. In this short video, I am going to show you how to easily install this on your own system so that it works, giving you the opportunity so that your viewers, if they leave or refresh the page or attempt to come back later, what they'll see here we have a special offer of $7. What they'll see will be an increase in price, or you could change that up to remove your special bonus. Like you'll notice here I've got free master resale rights on the sales page. There'll be less benefit so that there's an urgency for them to act right now while this is truly a one-time special offer. So to set this up, we have to open up the one-time offer script files, which are right here. And I always recommend, because you could have multiple offers, that you create a new folder each time you do this. And in this case, I'm going to create one called Testing. And I'm going to paste those files right in there. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get my sales page and I'm going to open it up. And again, I'm going to use Notepad to show you guys that you don't need to have any fancy editors. Then I'm going to open up my testing folder. I'm going to show you each one of the three files you're going to be using. First one is going to be the index file, which I'm going to open first in Dreamweaver because I want you to see how it should look. There's a small change that we're going to need to make if we're using a text editor. You'll notice that this has a three-stage system here. When you open it up for some reason with a text editor, it looks like it's all on one line. Now, the first thing I always do is get rid of the generic line. The second thing we need to do is double return after the word PHP, and then double return again after the colon. And we're going to set that down there. The offer I'm not going to open up because I'm actually going to overwrite the offer with my sales page, which is discounted at the moment. And then the OTO is the actual software itself. You should never really need to open this for any reason. But if you do, by all means, do not change the variable right here. Where it says OTO trigger equals 1, it will not work if you change that. Getting back to this, we're only going to be focused on the offer script and the indexed file. So the first thing I want to do, let's close Dreamweaver here, because I promised you that we could do this by using nothing more than text editors. First thing I want to do is copy the sample code here. Then I'm going to close this. And I'm going to put this, double return there, and I'm going to put that just like you see here in the video at the top. And I'm going to set my normal price or make my changes. If you guys actually do a little bit of HTML, that's fine. All I'm doing right here is setting it up so that it's $17. And then I'm going to save that. I'm going to go into our testing folder. If you're using a text editor, go down to all file types. I'm going to save that as index.php there. It's going to tell me it already exists. Yes, I want to replace it. Next, I'm going to create my special price. And because the second file is an HTML file, I'm going to remove the little PHP include tag there. And I'm simply going to save this. I forgot to bring it down to all files. Testing. And save this as offer. Excellent. Next, I'm going to open up my FTP program. Again, I use Fire FTP. You can use any program you want. I'm going to refresh my files. I'm going to open up the testing folder. And over here you can see I'm already logged in to the one-time offer script upload area. And I am simply going to upload this over here. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to actually get the direct link, because what you saw over here was the sales page. So first I'm going to go back to the home, whatever that is for you. Mine is Google. I have that set that way. I'm going to clear my cookies. Click delete. Should only take about 10 or 15 seconds. Click OK. And I'm going to paste my URL in. Now as I scroll down, you can see the special discount price of $7 here. You'll notice the website URL never changes, $7. But if I refresh this, or if I close the window and try to come back, you'll notice that it instantly goes up to $17. The reason for this is that you're trying to create urgency. If they don't act now, they miss out on your special, your bonus, your discount. And again, they never know the difference because the PLR, sorry, not PLR, the PHP include tag brings everything straight into the same page. Really simple, really easy to edit. If they refresh or if they leave the page and then try to come back later, what happens is we drop a cookie onto their computer that says, hey, you already got this special offer. You don't get the discount and the bonus or whatever it was that they would have gotten, and you now have to pay full price or take the loss of whatever it is. Again, you can see how easy this was. I used a text editor. If you need to rewind the video and watch it again when you're setting this up, it's a really easy but really powerful script that's meant to help you increase your sales. Imagine sending out an email and telling them that it's important that they act now when they click on this and not wait. Because if they come back, even in 5 minutes, the price will be going up. Because it's set up with a script for one-time offer. If they go and they visit the page and they leave or try to refresh it or think that they're wise and they're going to test you, they're going to miss out on whatever discount or special offer you've been giving them. I hope that's been helpful, and I hope you enjoy your script. Talk to you soon.